So I got a new car. I got some new content for you guys. This is gonna be the reveal. But let me give you some backstory. I wasn't even looking for a new project. I'm always on I'm always on Copart looking for stuff. Kind of like people go on eBay. You know, you don't need it, but you just search eBay for stuff that you don't need. Same thing in the automotive industry. We're always on Copart, IAI. Those are the insurance auctions that we get all our vehicles from. I'm always looking for stuff, and I have a certain kind of budget that I use, which is not a lot, so I don't win a lot. But it's okay. You gotta take your wins and losses. But you got on your wins, you gotta take a big. So there was this car, and I went after it, and your boy ended up winning. Awesome. So here we are. I'm about to give you all a new look at the new content and the new vehicle that I am going to be working on. Super proud. Something that I always wanted. It's a very, very rare car, I believe. You can believe whatever you want, but in my opinion, this is pretty dope. So yeah, here we go. I'm about to reveal my new car reveal, if that makes any sense. But here we go. So what did I get? Your boy, he got himself a 2015 Mitsubishi Evo 10. Like I didn't have enough Evo 10s, but this one is very rare. This one is the final edition. And I always wondered why I really like it, and it's kind of a stupid reason. This is the honest truth. The reason why I bought this vehicle is the Evo 10 final editions. They come with a sick interior. I'm old school. I like everything blacked out. We like it murdered out. So this is what it is. It comes with a full murdered out black interior. All the panels are black headliner. And it has more goodies, like the roof is black. It comes with the 2015 turn signals in the mirror. There's probably a lot that it comes with that I'm not stating, but I was on the Evo forums, and there was a guy that was selling a complete final edition interior. I didn't jump on it, and because of that, I kind of regret not jumping on it because I ended up buying a whole car just for the interior. Yeah. But not just for the interior, I'm gonna fix it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am about to reveal to you my new 2015 Mitsubishi Evo 10 final edition. I'm very excited about this. So let's go take a look. 2015 Evo 10 final edition. It's a beautiful baby. Beautiful girl right here. Let's go get the keys. Let me show you what she got. Let's do some B-roll. All right, it's not too bad, so let's see what we need. From the looks of it, looks like we need a fender. There's some very bad suspension damage. I didn't see that in the pic. Freaking rotor's like broken. That's not good. So probably get a whole knee assembly. That'd be smart. Yeah, on the back, this thing looks like it might have went airborne, but it didn't roll. Just probably went into a guardrail and just jacked everything up. All right, quarter panel definitely looks fixable, and then we'll have all the factory VIN on, VIN numbers on it. It's a little close over here. Pull the quarter back out, get my lines. This is the cool thing. I didn't know. You see that right here? That means it's keyless entry. That is a plus. And then it has the turn signals on the mirrors. So let's check her out. Let me get a light. Here we go. Let's check this out. Engine intake. Oh, nice. They got the HKS blow-off valve, the engine hard pipe kit, upper intercooler piping, factory intercooler piping. Yeah, factory intercooler piping, which is good. We're running it too much. Look at that. It's really clean. Got some coolant in there still. We got some power steering, factory manifold. Look at that. With the factory heat shield, that's a good sign. So it's unmolested. Let's see if it has any kind of boost solenoid. No. So this thing doesn't look like it's been tuned. Bunch of bolt-ons. That's cool, man. This is the kind of vehicle you do want to buy. Like I said, later, like today's Saturday, I just stopped by just to make a quick video. But tomorrow, actually on Monday, I'll be back and we're gonna see what's going on with this. That's crazy. That freaking rotor just broke off. That's scary. I hope the transmission's all right. But it runs. They said it runs and drives. I'm not gonna start it up. We checked the oil and the oil's empty. That's not a good sign. But the oil cooler, the wheel was hitting the oil cooler right there, so it could have pierced it, and then all the oil could have came up through here. So that's what I'm thinking. So that's pretty much it. Nice. I hope you enjoyed my reveal. How are you doing? Beautiful day. Another day. Today's a Friday, and Red Evo's done. Off the lift. It's a beautiful thing outside. So I have a little time. So 2015 time. So that's final edition. So you guys think I'm pulling your chain? Look at that. Real deal. Final edition. This is how you know you got that black trim with that black roof. Anyway, final edition time. Took out the bumper. Took out the fender. Fender's no good. There's no way to fix that. So it's out. I got my go jack in the front. I mean in the back. So we're gonna jack up the front and try to roll it straight onto the lift. Usually I'll put it the other way where the front's facing over here. This car is not very turnable right now, so it's cool. I could work with it any as long as it gets on the lift. We're good. Got the full knee assembly over here. The axle of my truck. I just got to order a rotor and see if this caliper is good. Hopefully, because if I could just put a rotor and axle, it'll be good. Hopefully, I don't need. Ooh. Oh crap, the lower control arm was ripped out. Okay, well I didn't know, so it looks like I need a lower control arm. But like I said, now I can see, so before we were like kind of guessing. Here we go. Yeah, he took my pushing spot. But okay. So that's all me. Wait, one more time. Has to go over a little bit. It's like, right there. Beautiful. Sounds good. Front's good. One, two. Oh shit. Scoot over so you can buckle my damn foot. Yeah. Alright, 1, 2, 3. So it is time. We've been working hard, and I got my oil cooler in today. So that means it's time to start the final edition. See how she starts. Okay, so everything is hooked up except for the blow-off valve because I put the MAP intercooler piping. It doesn't reach my HKS, but I don't think that will make a difference. I'll add a little bit more air. Let's see what happens. Keyless entry. All right. Nice. Yeah. One more time. Yeah. So she runs. She runs good. Let's see if the AC still has AC. I mean, yeah, so that's Freon. Carlos, do I get your thumbs up, Carl? Hold on. Do we get Carlos's approval? We got Carlos's approval. This one's not a piece of junk.
Quiet.
Nice. We usually get them like pieces of junk and then we turn them into nice cars. This one's a nice car already. Awesome. Alright, what is up, everybody? I didn't think I was going to vlog this, but that's pretty cool. We're swapping out some stuff. And on this vehicle, I want to go a lot of modern performance stuff. Actually, no, it's not AM, it's engine. Not a big fan of the engine stuff. So, taking it out, and we're putting a MAP intake manifold, not intake manifold, MAP intake, and it's gonna match the rest of the stuff because we got an upper intercooler piping, MAP lower intercooler piping. See the logo? So just finishing up the look. So that is what I'm doing today. I wasn't going to document it, but when in doubt, pull out the camera and start filming. So here we go. Let me set it up. Let's start taking her apart. Let's go. All right. Beautiful. Any brackets on this. That. Let's see. Engine. What engine? Okay. Up. That was just hanging there. Cool. Alright, so looking good. Let's check out what we got. MAP heat shield. Alright, look at this nice intake. Well, I think it's huge. Compare it to the other one. Okay, so you got, this is the engine. This is, damn, MAP. I'm trying to do MAP everything on this car. Hopefully this has the logo on it. What? That's what I'm talking about. Sick. Alright, let's install this bad boy. Alright, so I messed up a little bit. I had my mic backwards because I put my hat on backwards. That's how I wear my hat. But for the vlogs, I put the hat forward. But that's not how I wear the hat. Alright, I think that's it. Pretty tight. Yeah, so it's supposed to. Okay, yeah, go like this. It's over here. It has to sit in here like that. Alright, so that's how much this thing has to angle. And I hope you guys are liking this, because this is way different than what I usually do. It's not gonna make any noise. That's silent. Let's put the intake and kind of mock everything up. Ooh, look at that. And look at that. What? Alright, so intake won't fit. So we're back to square one. Gotta loosen that. Alright, so that's the angle we gotta have. That makes some MAP makes some cool stuff. That thing was on there. You're telling me that little I had a what? How much you got it going? Is it going all the way? Like, where does it go? How far? I love it. Right there. That's straight. Just want to show you guys that. Let's go into it. That's nice and aligned. So, what I'm trying to do is align it before I tighten it. So here we go. Everything's on there, so I think it's good. It's tight. So we're gonna work with that right there. Glove valve time. I ordered a custom one a while back, so we're gonna use that bad boy. Let's see. Put these two the same way. Oh my gosh! Don't tell me that fell inside my freaking radiator fan. I'll get that later. All right, so I had to turn off the camera and get to work, but I am all done because nothing was working. So it's all done. Check it out. So put my the Greddy, I forget which one this is. What's this one called? The FPV? No, the FV. FV. Yeah. But it's a new Greddy. So usually I like to put it straight. What do you guys think? I had to put a little angle on it. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks not bad. So now MAP everything. So we got the upper intercooler piping, intake, and the lower intercooler pipe. The only thing I'm missing is the actual intercooler, but that's coming. That's coming next. So not bad. Well, only thing to do is let's do a cold start for the boys. Here we go. Check her out. Hey. Smooth, recirc. And just like that, bam, on the frame machine. Are we gonna tire down today? No, we're tired. We're going home, but it's cool. When I got some downtime tomorrow, I'll mess with that. Or I'll let the guy pulling it because sometimes they know where they want to strap it down. If I strap it down the wrong side, he's going to have to unstrap it and restrap it. This is the goal. Strap down over here. We have a special pulling tool that will go into here. My goal is to give it a pull this way. And then hopefully all this will pull back and miraculously go back in the seam, boom, and then we got our lines. Because look at this, all up here is nice. Got our lines up here, let's go, and then it starts to gap. So it's just the dog leg. So if we could, boop, so, right here, right there, and then hopefully we don't have to mess with the ACD pump. I don't have to take that out to pull here, because that sucks. Usually that would need a quarter panel replacement. But the metal's really soft over there, so we're gonna grab that bad boy, dolly it out, get my specs, push the taillight back in, check the bumper, make sure the bumper fits tight. Once it's tight, all this is hidden, but I'm still gonna do a good job, don't worry. But yeah, and that's it. And this is all done. So then my rocker will fit, got the fender in the back, thanks to TAE, awesome shop. They gave me a super killer deal, better than anybody else, always better than anybody else. I buy most of my parts from them. And Demo from Cali, I bug him on the daily. But yeah, that's another story for another time. But yeah, here we are. We're going home, looking good, not too late, still decent. So I will see everybody tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. All right, and that is it for today's episode. Just want to stop and thank everyone for taking the time out of their day to watch me and all the craziness I got going on over here. I appreciate it a lot, and from the bottom of my heart, just want to thank you all. So till next time, like the saying goes, like, comment, and subscribe. To subscribe and see all my craziness, what I got going on, and if you hit that little bell ding, you'll get all my updates. So thank you, and until next time, I will see you on the next vlog. Take care of yourself.